Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G30. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, then click on continue and select allow. You want to go with send on this Motorola device and receive on Motorola Moto G30. Then you need to tap on all of those dots and click send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only click on this one photo, select send and tap on got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, you can tap on the scanning icon over here. Select while using the app and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into menu, tap on App Files, select, in my case, Browse and Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!